Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you a little hidden secret within Adobe Photoshop. Not a lot of people know this little trick, but let's keep it between ourselves and you can really create some really cool elements using this little secret trick. Okay, first thing I want to do is just add a layer here like so. And I'm going to come through with my curvature tool and create a path like this. Let's double click there. I want to make that point sharp. And now we're going to come through and just do the curved one like so. Now with that still live, that path, I'm now going to come to filter, render, tree. And as you can see, we have this currently Sakura cherry blossom tree. Now you have all these options here where you can manipulate the light direction if you want to do that. You can manipulate the leaves amount, the leaf size. Like so, branches height here. But you also have is all different types of trees. So I could use elm tree, for instance. I could use ginkgo tree. I could use Populus nigra tree. Young Rabina. In this current instance, what I want to be using is our original one of Sakura cherry blossom. And now I'm going to press OK. Now if I delete that path there, as you can see, I've got a real realistically looking tree. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care and see you next time.